Push it.
Push the button.
Here, go show it to Sissy. Sissy will show you how to push it.
Where's the button? Oh, there it is. Ah, don't put yourself.
Let me see.
Turn it around.
Show me.
Push it right here.
Oh!
You gotta press right here.
Ow! Ah!
Hey guys, this is Aubrey and Caleb, my baby brother, and today we have a special surprise from Spin Master, so let's open it.
Who's there? Say hi. Okay, go see what's in the box. What is it?
It's Rusty Rivets! Spin
Oh, show Mama. What is it?
Spin Master too!
Show me. Yay!
Look at the dinosaur! It's so big! Spin Master sent us this awesome big box of Rusty Rivets, so let's start opening them. Come on, Caleb, let's take them out. Hey, Caleb!
Let me see.
Wow!
Go over there and look at that. What is that?
And it also comes with Rusty. It comes with 4. We got the Rivet Lab, we got the dinosaur. Here's everything we got in the box, plus what Caleb has, which is this cute Rusty car. The first thing we're gonna open is the multi-tool and goggles, so let's get started.
Push it.
Push the button.
Here, go show it to Sissy. Sissy will show you how to push it.
Where's the button? Oh, there it is. Ah, don't put yourself.
Let me see.
Turn it around.
Show me.
Push it right here.
Oh!
You gotta press right here.
Ow! Ah! Are you gonna fix it? Yeah. What are you gonna fix?
You gonna fix the camera? Find it and design it. That actually fit me.
All right, what are we opening next, Aubrey?
We're gonna open the cart build. So let's open it. Okay, so this is the cart build. So let's build. I've already put this piece in. So now I'm gonna put, I think this goes right here. And then this goes, maybe right here. Can I see that? Thank you. And then you gotta put the other wheels on. Thank you. And I think that's all the pieces. Oh, no, there's one more. Good job, Caleb. I think that goes in here. We can't forget about Rusty. Let's put him in there. How do you put him in here? You can move the pieces around, they do different things. So this is like a little drill to go underground. And when you drive it, the little wheel turns, and it's super cool. Oh.
Whoa!
Is it cool? Oh, we found out that it turns. Ah! The driver's being attacked by a giant baby! The next one we're gonna open is the ant drill, so let's open it. Okay, so she goes right here, and then the little, where'd the drill go? So the drill goes right into this hole where the seat is, and then the leg you stick right here with the blue thing up until you're done with all the legs. So here it is. That's kind of creepy. So the last one before the Rivet Lab is Botasaur Rivet. So let's get them open. There's so many pieces. Let's do it the easy way. 1, 2. can open its mouth too. Oh wow, that's cool. You can also take the legs off and put wheels on, so let's do that. So here he is, and it's super cool because it's just like a car. Woo! Last but definitely not least, drum up please. The Rivet Lab! Let's get it open. 1, 2, 3. Combine it and design it. Woo! Okay, so we built the lab and here it is. It's super cool. We added Rusty, the other Rusty, that's Rusty right there. That comes with the set. And that is, what's her name again? And there's Ruby. So, and here's the little robot they built. And it's just over here in the robot center. And you can actually close this, just like that. Super cool. So if Rusty wants to go up or down, he just has to use this. And also if he wants to go, then let him go outside. And then just close the door again. Boom! So he's controlling the claw. And he can grab things. You can grab this robot. And go. I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. Help me. I'll get you down. Okay, so you can put his car up here. You can put his car in there and let him get out and just, so now it's locked and no one can get in. So you can lock it. And that means that you're good to open it. And then when you press it like this, it means that you're not allowed to come in there. It's locked and you can't go in. So yeah. So I want to show you guys a secret. It's a secret door. Shh. So he can go in and out without anybody knowing. Tell me what you guys think of Rusty Rivets. And remember to give our video a thumbs up. I hope you guys like the video. Please click like and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and be part of our Rusty Rivet squad. And yeah.